Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, keep up.
Today, I come to you with a video about Yagmur and Baris. All the details are in my video. If you like my video, I would be really happy if you press the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can support me further with clicking the join button down below. Thank you, and let's get into my video. In a shocking revelation that has sent shockwaves through the entertainment industry, actress Yagmur Yuksel has brought to light the hidden truths surrounding her co-star Gulum Baktas. The unexpected disclosure has uncovered a complex web of emotions, including unrequited love and underlying tensions, casting a shadow over the seemingly harmonious facade of their professional relationship. The revelation stems from Yuksel's candid confession, in which she disclosed that Baktas harbored feelings of disdain towards her, despite their outwardly friendly interactions. This revelation has stunned fans and industry insiders alike, raising questions about the authenticity of relationships within the entertainment world. The situation is further complicated by the involvement of Baktas' husband, Baris Baktas, and Yüksel's in the popular series Cicekleri. The trio's on-screen collaboration had garnered widespread acclaim, with viewers captivated by their on-screen chemistry and dynamic performances. However, behind-the-scenes tensions simmered beneath the surface, threatening to unravel the carefully and constructed facade of camaraderie. Yüksel's revelation has shed light on the underlying dynamics at play, exposing the delicate balance between professional obligations and personal emotions. As speculation mounts surrounding the true nature of Baktas' sentiments towards Yüksel, fans have been left reeling from the unexpected twist in their favorite star's real-life drama. Many have expressed their disbelief and disappointment at the revelation, grappling with the realization that the camaraderie they had admired may have been nothing more than a facade. Amidst the turmoil, the future of the trio's on-screen collaboration hung in the balance, with viewers eagerly anticipating the resolution of the unfolding drama. As the truth behind Baktas' feelings comes to light, the lines between fiction and reality blur, leaving fans to ponder the complexities of love, loyalty and deception in the glittering world of entertainment. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.